Here's an interesting app called Pixel Pad's Cute Widget app. So just tap Get and then double click to install it, and then there is another app called Pixel Pals, which is also going viral. This app, as you can see, is getting more and more ratings and is climbing very high in charts. And then the idea of this app is that you can have your own special pet that animates on your phone. Meet Pixel Pets. You'll be able to take care of your own animal pet by feeding and interacting with your new best friend. You can find your pet displayed on your lock screen. There really is no better way to have more fun on your phone than this new cool app. So yeah, some interesting pets. So yeah, there you have it, your Pixel Pad. You can have it on Dynamic Island. So of course you need to have iOS 16 for that to work, and then amazing widgets, and then increase the bond, and then you can just get started. So for example, you just choose the pet, you can just add a name. Like you can just name this pet like that. You can just choose some background scene. You can see some different scenes. Okay, so but for some of those you will need to pay one-time payment for Pixel Pads Plus. Okay, so let's just start with free one, basic one. And then you can give treats and play with your pets, change or edit your pet from here. Dynamic Island off. Dynamic Island on. Transport your pet and discard new places with this button. And then there are also editable widgets. So you can play with the pet, free toys, the ball. You can put the ball. It's pretty cool. And then my pet, you can see your pets. You can feed it with banana. It's quite fun, quite entertaining. Status, this heart shows the level of love between you and your pet. You can enable or disable the, and then if you enable it in Dynamic Island, as you can see in the top part, is already being displayed in Dynamic Island here on my phone. However, when I close the app, it's not there. So let's just try to add the widget to see. So as you can see, there is Pixel Pals and there is Pixel Pets. So these are two different apps. And then you can just edit widget, style, position. All right, so seems at the beginning you first need to add your widget. So here first you need to add the widget like that, and then you just select your pet from here and then save widget, and then it should actually, you will be able to edit it from here, I guess. Or maybe, so yes, there is some complication here. So yeah, you should be able to add it like somehow this way. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. But yeah, that's basically the idea, is that you can install all of this. There are also live activities. You can add up to 2 paths to Dynamic Island. You can customize how it looks like. And then you can, there a lock screen banner, which is also, you can add that. It's quite interesting. And then here you see the scenes. And then that's what you have basically. So yeah, hope that's helpful.